All right, here's a fun challenge for us. Let's draw the translation of this triangle along the vector v. So this is a vector, which means that it has a direction and it has a length. But in fact, position doesn't matter. So as long as I just keep the arrow sort of parallel to that one, this all is considered the same vector. I'm not allowed to stretch the vector, shrink the vector, or torque it. That's still along the same vector. But as long as I just keep this direction, then I've got the vector. And the question is, translate this triangle using this vector. So what I do here is I take this, you see? Here's a copy of the triangle. And I take this vector and I slide it so it matches here. And this vertex has to go out there. So now that's fixed. And I bring this back here to make sure I got it lined up perfectly. And then I've got to have this point be out here. And that should be it. Let me affix it with a little bit of tape, and let's just make sure that we like our answer. Because if this is really correct, then this vector should also match this vertex to that vertex. Let's see if he does it. Perfect. You can see they actually match up perfectly. And so what we see is that this triangle is the translation of this triangle along this vector. So that is pretty cool.